1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, a half teaspoon whole spice powder, 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce optional, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 2 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Mix well. A half kg fish. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, a half cup chickpea flour, a 1/4 cup rice flour. Mix well until it coats properly. Hot oil. Fry on medium to low flame until done.